Automakers love to find white space in the marketplace, areas where they can offer car buyers something new. Nissan thinks it has just such a vehicle with its new IMS Concept, which is making its international debut at the Detroit Auto Show. The Japanese automaker calls the all-wheel drive pure electric IMS an elevated sports sedan. And while it looks an awful lot like a rakish hatchback, it actually has a trunk. No matter what you call it, it's a handsome show car that could be a bridge to people looking for certain SUV attributes like a higher seating position without that vehicle type's bulky looks. This sleek pillarless four-door is powered by 2 electric motors, yielding a combined 483 horsepower and a massive 590 pound-feet of torque. The oversized 115 kilowatt-hour battery is said to provide enough juice for 380 miles of range, the sort of length that suggests this Nissan would make for an epic grand tourer. The IMS's exterior admittedly has shades of Audi's recent e-tron Sportback concept, but that's no bad thing. The two were likely developed around the same time, and besides, this Nissan drives at least a step or two further into the future. That's because of its next-level interior, which is made possible by the car's self-driving hardware. By next level, I mean level 4. The IMS presupposes fully autonomous driving is just around the corner, though the car's reconfigurable seating also provides an option for traditional manual operation. The interior is particularly interesting, thanks not only to its unusual cabin configuration, but also because of its floating dual-layer gauge cluster and the instrument panel's 3D printed visible structure. The latter was inspired by kumiko, a traditional Japanese art that uses wood slats to create intricate designs without nails. That same exposed structure theme is repeated throughout the vehicle, including on the roof, yoke-style steering wheel, and pedals. The aforementioned reconfigurable cabin includes an oversized rear premier seat mode, which features a pop-out ottoman to make it the best seat in the house when driving autonomously. And since you won't need to keep your eyes on the road when the car is driving itself, the IMS includes an invisible-to-visible augmented reality display that takes the form of a virtual reality co-driver avatar. In other words, with this Nissan, you won't be motoring alone even when you are. The future is wild.